Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the flasher relay on a 2013 to 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. This will work on any flasher relay combination you could put up in there. I am changing mine out because I've added LED blinkers that I got from Diode Dynamics. And the flasher relay I'm going to be putting in is a smart tap flash relay. This one has a lot more functionality than your standard relay. Check the description. There'll be some more information in there if you want to read a little bit more about it. Alright, so here's where we're going to start. We're going to grab our weather stripping. We'll pull it out. I'm just going to push it back on the side of the door here. And take a flathead screwdriver. Come up underneath this little plastic cover here on the side. Pop it up. I'm just going to run my finger up around the edge here. That's that for that. We're going to remove the little Phillips head screw here. I'm going to get my fingers back behind the panel here on the bottom and up here on top. And I'm just going to pull until it starts clicking. That's off. Now here's the connector for the traction control. It's got a detent on the top of it. Just push it down with your fingernail or a screwdriver and slide that one out. Now this whole unit here for my dimmer, I'm going to put my hand on top of it and just push down and then pull that back out. Put that off the side. Okay, so here's where we are. It's just right here. That's what we're going for. That's your relay for your blinkers. So let me get my other camera out and I'll be able to show you guys how we do this. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little nut off. So I have a little bit of extra wiggle room in there. I'm going to pull this off and push it down so it's out of my way here. Take your hand up under here and hold on the relay. Just going to pull it down a little bit and push it to the rear here. And insert my screwdriver right here on the sides. Pull down a little bit here. Or here and pull this side down. And just pull the whole unit out. Now, don't worry about that tab. It's still going to be good, so you're going to be able to use it. This is the second time I've pulled it out. Now you'll be able to access the release for this. Give it a squeeze with your thumbnail. And disconnect it. Now, how are you supposed to do that in that tight area? But I got it out and it's still in good shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on while I have it out. That's locked in place. Now you'll see where the hole is up there to push this back up in there. And like I said, this is still good. So it's going to go up in the hole and it's going to stop from coming out. So let me back the camera up and I'll show you how quickly it can go back into place. You know this is going back up in the hole. I'll just reconnect the relay to hear it pop. And push it right back up into the hole. It's got back pressure on it, so it's really not going to be going anywhere. Now we'll get back to reassembling the lower part of the dash here. Alright, so take this, lift it back up and put it back on that stud up there. That tightened. We'll get the dimmer back in. I'm going to stick the bottom in first. And then just push that back into place. Take our connector for our traction control. Remember the lock is on the top. Pop that back into place. We'll be lining up this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole with all the connectors here. Start on the right side. Make sure they're all in. Push that forward. Push the bottom in. Get the screw for Phillips screw for this bottom corner here. I'll take the weather stripping. You know it's up still on in this part, so the only thing I'm going to do is as I push it in, I'll just keep it right in the same line. Just make sure it's seated. So we put this in, we're going to be lining up all our holes here. So I'll start with the top. Get that second one, the third one. Push it in, you're done. That's all there is to it. All right, that concludes this video. A special shout out to Diode Dynamics. You make a quality product. I am impressed. I like the approach and departure settings for the lights on my alarm settings. The tap turn is really nice, and the different functionality with the hazards are really nice as well. I'm impressed. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and don't forget to throw me a thumbs up. Take care everybody. Don't be afraid to work on your car, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.